Good morning, students. Welcome to English Classics. Today we start with Term 2 Prose Unit 1. As we know, we have 3 sessions in Unit 1. First session we have completed previous week. Today we continue with session 2 and 3. Before going to the lesson, let us see some words and their or meaning glossary. Shanty town, a poor area. Unfulfilled, unrealized. Prominent, noticeable. Determined, willpower. Correspondent, reporter. Commitment, dedication. Never say die, don't stop trying. Civilian, ordinary people. Previous session learnt about Mithali Durairaj. Now we have come to know about Mithali Durairaj, how she achieved her goals. Now we start with session 2 about Usha Rani. Usha Rani Kopap Kabaddi champion. She was from a poor town of Subhedrapalayam in Yeshwantapur near Bangalore in Karnataka. To fulfill her mother dream, she became determined and practiced Kabaddi from a young age. Soon she started playing Kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. She used to sell flowers for her daily living to support her family. She had to struggle hard all through her life until she became the youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. At the age of 29 years, she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. She is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become the role model to her brothers, sisters, and other fellow sports persons. Now, session 3. This session deals with the biography of P.V. Sindhu, the badminton player. Pusarla Venkata Sindhu is one of the 2 Indian badminton players to ever win a silver medal in 2017 Olympics. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women singles category. She drew inspiration from the success of Pulela Gopichand, the 2001 All England Open badminton champion. Sindhu joined Gopichand Academy and practiced her training schedules. She balanced both her passion as well as her academic. Now, she holds a bachelor degree in commerce BCom. PV Sindhu won several title awards and cash grants for her contribution. The government of India has also conferred 3 awards on her. They are Rajiv Gandhi Ratna Award in 2016, Padma Shri Award in 2015, and Arjuna Award in 2013. In the end of the lesson, in the end of the session, we have come to know about the sportswomen, how they achieve their goals. It's not easy. So, achieve the goal. It's not easy to achieve the goal. How much hard work these women have done. So, my dear children, even we have to try and work hard to achieve goals in your future. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.